So hey everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the factors that can affect the shape of the hydrograph. So again, hydrograph is a representation of discharge in the river versus time, or I can say stream flow versus time or runoff versus time. So variation of all this with respect to time is nothing but hydrograph. So a typical shape of hydrograph is something like, so you have discharge, you have time. So typical shape looks like it will increase as the rainfall increases. Once it stops, it will reach the peak and then falls. So rising limb, falling limb, crest segment, time base, time to peak, the time it takes to reach this peak. So this is my KP. So here, first factor that we know that what factors could be affecting the hydrograph. So basically it has to be either the rainfall factors or the catchment on which that rainfall is occurring. Basically, why? Because runoff is nothing but response of the catchment. So catchment should affect it and response of catchment to rainfall. So rainfall should also affect. That's why only two factors we have to keep in general. Further, I have divided it what could be the possibilities. So when I talk about the shape of the catchment, so suppose you have a catchment in which, like generally we represent the catchment something like this, a sort of leaf structure. So you have two catchments, one looks like this and the other one looks like let's say the opposite of it. An outlet is somewhere here. So what I am trying to show here is, here near the outlet less area is available, here near the outlet more area is available. So something like this looks the drainage pattern. So that's why I always represent by leaf, because we know that it looks something like a catchment where these things represents the stream. So now when I look at the hydrograph for these shapes, it will be here near the outlet less area is available, the larger area is available far away from the catchment. So you get a peak after a long time here. Something like this. When I compare with respect to this, near the outlet more area is available, more water will be quickly coming to the outlet. So you can expect a faster and a higher peak. So hydrograph, the two things that we are very much interested in, what is the peak and how fast or slow we are reaching it. Suppose you are having a very high and a faster peak, means in very less time a lot of water is going to reach your structure. That is when flood conditions occur. That is, you should be able, your capacity of the structure should be such that it should be able to accommodate that much water within that much less time. That's when flash floods also occur. So this was basically how catchment shape affects this. Similarly, I can see if the catchment is elongated, suppose here is the outlet and here the catchment is circular, in this case I will get more runoff because whole of the area will be draining the outlet more or less in the same time. Because it is circular, all the points are equidistant to the outlet. Whereas when you compare to this part will reach a lot of time. So here the peak that you are going to get here, suppose this time here to reach the peak is TP1, here TP2. So time TP2 will be less. Also QP1 will be less than QP2 here. So I hope you got it, because here the farthest point is very far away, the catchment is elongated, so here the water will take a lot of time. Meanwhile, there is a lot of possibility that it might get infiltrated also. That's the reason you can get a lower peak here, and anyways the peak will be delayed. So if I draw the hydrograph, it will look something like this for this catchment. So this is for the shape of the catchment. Similarly, for the size of the catchment, if I talk about a smaller size catchment will be draining less water. So smaller size catchment, if I draw for the size of the catchment, so I'll get less peak for a smaller catchment, whereas I will get the higher peak for a larger catchment. So this is for a large basin, this is for a smaller basin. So logic is very simple. If you have a smaller catchment, then you have less area. Rainfall is occurring on less area, so less water will be reaching the outlet. Whereas you have a larger area, so again the possibility of getting runoff will be more. So this was for these two factors.